Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. The procedure is same for both for Android and iOS, so let's get right into it. Head over to your Messenger application and go to the three lines option and go to the settings icon. And if you scroll down, here you'll not see any sort of logout option. So all you need to do is go back to your home page or home screen and head over to your Facebook. And then go to the three lines, scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Head over to settings. Now scroll down and go to activity log. Here scroll down and here you see security and login information. Head over to it. Click on where you are logged in. Here you can see I am logged in into these places. So all I need to do is just click on the three dots icon and just log out. Click on log out. Once I click on log out, that specific account will be, the place will be removed from my logging in list and it will be Messenger that is logged out. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.